What is an interval? Well, an interval is the distance between two notes. For an example, we can start here on G and have an interval here. Let's have a look at the major scale and name our intervals starting from the root. We have the root, major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, and major seventh. And we also have an octave. So an octave is the same note as the root, but higher. Now that we've covered the basic intervals, let's have a look at the minor intervals. A minor interval is constructed by flattening a note by a semitone or half step. For example, if we start on G, then our major second would be an A. To get a minor second, we would flatten the A by a semitone, giving us A flat. The notes that can be flattened are the second, third, fifth, sixth, and the seventh. So that would give us a minor second, minor third, tritone, which is what we call the flat 5, or it could also be a sharp 4. Then we would have a minor sixth and a minor 7. So let's put all these intervals together, starting from the root, minor second, major second, minor third, major third, perfect fourth, tritone, perfect fifth, minor sixth, major sixth, minor seventh, major seventh, and octave.